This unit is Create Reports and Dashboards. It is the last unit in the Build a Suggestion Box app module on the Admin Intermediate Trail along the Become a Salesforce Administrator trail mix. My name is Jeff Alhadeff. You're welcome to join me as I work my way through this. If I come across something that I find that might be useful to you, I'll link to it in the description below so you can just jump there. Otherwise, if you want, you could follow along with me now. And I want to start off by apologizing. You probably have a really bad echo because I'm like in a dining hall. Long story, but in any case, here I am. I could go outside, which I might end up doing at some point, but I don't have enough battery, so I need to be plugged in. Okay, enough preambles. Okay, in this unit, we are going to create a simple tabular report to list open suggestions. Okay, that's cool. Create a summary report with a report chart. Create a simple dashboard based on the summary report, and try the reports and dashboards in a Salesforce mobile app. Cool. The suggestion box app you created includes a Reports tab and a Dashboards tab where you can create, edit, and run reports and dashboards. These features make an app more powerful by providing the business with valuable insights. Oh, yeah, look, here we are. We're in the suggestion box app. There's the reports. And here's the dashboards. Okay, so these are reports. These are all the reports that I've created up until now. Okay, these aren't just related to the suggestion box app. Okay, I should keep reading. Step 1, create a tabular report. Let's start with a simple tabular report to show the number of suggestions received and the status of each one. A tabular report presents data in simple rows and columns, much like a spreadsheet. You can use it to show column summaries like sum, average, maximum, and minimum. Click the app icon in Suggestion Box app. Select Reports tab, click New Report. Someone's getting water. The Wi-Fi is a little slow. Okay, here we go. Wow. Lots. Okay, in the search report types, enter suggestions and choose suggestions. If you don't see the suggestions report type, go back to setup and click Object Manager. Next to suggestions, click Edit. Under optional features, check Allow Reports, click Save, then go back and create the report. Okay. Well, let's see if we have it. Ah, we do. Okay. Click Continue. In the Report Builder, notice that the suggestion name field is already on the report. In the previous screen, you can see the sample suggestions records you created in the previous steps. In the previous screen. In the preview screen, you can see the sample suggestion records you created in the previous steps. I do. This is the preview. Enter status in the Add Columns search and select Status. Similarly, enter number of days open in the column search and select number of days open. Columns. Status. And number of days open. Cool. Note you can also drag the fields from the fields pane on the left into the columns section. To make sure that you're viewing only suggestions that still need to be implemented, select Filters. Assuming that that's what you want to do. You might not want to actually do that. You might want to see everything, but okay. we're going to filter. Enter status and filter search and select status. In the edit filter of status, change operator not equal to and change values to implemented. Click apply. So filters, add a filter, status, operator not equal to implemented. Apply. And I just excluded that one. That was cool. Click apply. I did that. Click save and name your report suggestions. Status of open suggestions. Save. And then click save and run. Admittedly not a very exciting report, but there it is. Okay, create a summary report and a report chart. It's often a good idea to give users a visual way to understand the data in your report. Tabular reports don't include charts, so let's copy the report and make a summary report. Then you can add a chart. From the report results view of the suggestions, status of open suggestions report, that's the one we just made. Click the drop down on the right and edit and choose save as. Type suggestions by status as report name. So I'm going to do save as. Did I click public folders? There you go. Click save, edit. In the group search, enter status and select status. Well, we already have status in here. Oh no, this is a different, this is making it, this is grouping it. Why do we need to do that? Click save and then run, which leads to the report results view. Click the add chart button to add chart to this report. Click on the gear icon and choose donut chart. Well, since I just have one in here, it's not super interesting. In the chart title, type suggestion status. Suggestion status, and the value drop down, choose record count. Click the drop down next to the edit button and then click save. Click the drop down next to the edit button and then click save. Oh. That's that. Cool. Well, that was actually cool, but let's do this. Let's make a couple more suggestions to make this chart more interesting. New what's a suggestion? Stop eating corn chips. They are not good for you. I don't really like that, but in any case, save a new, and we're going to do eat, serve more corn chips. People like them. And build better software. Anything. And we're going to call this facilities. We'll put this one as under consideration. And we're then going to do make air conditioning quiet. Facilities. Too loud. That looks more interesting. Okay. Now create a dashboard. Dashboards in Salesforce are like a dashboard in your car, showing you important information at a glance. Dashboards can show data in charts, gauges, tables, and metrics. Dashboards are powered by reports. Go to the Dashboard tab and click New Dashboard. Type the dashboard name as Suggestions Dashboard and create it on the default Private Dashboards folder. Click the plus component button on the top to add a component. In the report search, look for suggestions by status and select it. Click Select. And do the one that's in Public Reports. Choose the donut chart. Click Select. Choose the donut chart and select record count. There we go. And edit the title as Suggestions. Click Add, click Done and Save, and the dashboard appears. Add, Done. Save. Come on. There we go. That's pretty. Try it out on a mobile app. You are now a mobile app developer. This is a simple but complete app. And from here you can continue to add functionality or build another app with these skills. Let's see how these reports and dashboards look in Salesforce. Click the, whatever that icon is, the hamburger menu icon in the left navigation bar. Okay, right, we gotta go to no, not that. These are the suggestions. Cool. Oh, sorry, I totally didn't follow the instructions here. Scroll down and click Reports in the App section to display the reports that you recently viewed. Click either of the reports that you created. Let's do that. Let's go to Reports. Okay, Event, Recent, More. Come on. Events, Chatter, Tasks, Dashboard, Accounts, Suggestions, Contacts, Energy Audits, Properties, Files, Assets, Authorization, Campaigns, Cases, Data, Images, Leads, Emails, Lists, Topics, Notes, People, Groups, Reports. Sort the columns and click a row in the report to test its functionality. Sort the columns. That's cool. Now let's try on the dashboard. I'm going to go back to where I just was. Sorry, I did that. But we'll follow their instructions. Click Dashboard to display the dashboard recently viewed. Click the Suggestion dashboard. You should see something like this. Summary, you did it. You built a simple suggestions management app, all without a single line of code. You started by creating the simple data model and the default user interface for managing suggestions. You then customized the user experience on the browser and mobile app by using drag and drop editors. Next, you added business logic with a formula language and process builder. Finally, you created some reports and dashboards so that you can monitor and analyze your business data. You continue your journey and dive deeper by following the links in the resources section of this project. And let's verify that we earned this. This is a really cool, I really enjoyed this this module. It was a lot of fun. I just noticed that this tables, it makes a lot of noise. Has that been doing that this whole video? Suggestions by status report is not a summary report. think I messed up in creating a report in different folders. So it told me to create it in the public folder, and I created it in the private folder. So let's see if we can fix that now that I deleted the extra one that I created. Because this one, I think, is a summary. It told me to... Yeah, that did it. So important note there, when you create this, make sure you create it in the right folder and don't create two of them. Okay, it's been fun. Thanks for joining me.